Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today I have news for you. The first one is that this channel, formerly called Fine Art eBooks, is now called Fine Art Tips since it's more appropriate. The next good news is that the channel recently reached and passed 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all your help for this. Since I was traveling when that happened, we did not celebrate the fact. So, today I have decided to give away in a raffle the drawing that I'm going to do right now. To participate and to be able to win it, simply write a comment on my Facebook page. The next good news is that I just created a brand new page in Google Plus exclusively for fine art tips. I will be posting all the tutorials, pictures of the drawings of the tutorials, news, etc. So if you want to follow fine art tips on Google Plus, please like the new page. And if you write me a comment in there, you will get a second opportunity to win in the raffle. So for one opportunity, write me a comment in Facebook, and for the second one, on Google+. The links are below. Okay, today we will draw a supercar, a Bugatti. We start by doing the general shape with loose strokes. We sketch the axis for the tires. I like doing this toward the beginning because it helps me with the correct proportion of the car. Actually, the axis goes a little bit tilted in this case. And now let's start building up the vehicle. I made a little mistake. The lights go a little bit further up. When you are happy with the volume and form of the body, only then you should start with the detail. The position of the rear tire doesn't convince me fully. I think it needs to be a little bit further out, like this. Good! What a beauty! Having the complete sketch with pencil, we can now start with the markers. First, I will use a dark gray and will place it where the dark reflections will go. I will go over the gray with a dark blue to even it out a little bit, but in any case we will place a pastel blue over that. We paint with black the air intakes. And then with a light blue, we paint the areas where there will be the light reflections. And with a medium blue, the rest. The medium blue will be the real color of the car, and that will be seen wherever there are no light or dark reflections. Let's draw the interiors. The tires, and then we will do the wheels. Now let's use the pastel. This is an ultramarine deep blue, to be exact. We paint this in the middle tone areas, and then we smudge it. Now we go over the darks. It's giving a nice effect, isn't it? With a kneaded eraser we can put lights where there is the pastel. We also cover the glass and smudge it, either with cotton or with a stump. With a white pastel pencil, we can refine the reflections. The last details and it's ready. I would love to know what do you think about it. Don't forget to write me the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. You know where to follow me? The links are below. And I'll see you on Tuesday.